The film we are coming with, Chhawa, is all about the Maratha culture.
So, are you now a biopic specialist, Vicky?
I don't know. I don't know about that tag, although it's a lovely tag to have as an actor. I end up feeling there's something I'm giving back to the society.
How did you decide that if I do this, I will look brave?
Bravery, it's also actually very important to know your own wounds as well. Maharashtrians की warmth, उनका अपनापन, उनका frankness, वो सारा मैंने बहुत up close feel किया है, almost like a family.
You come from a family where your father is perhaps one of the most revered stunts persons of this country. Was he impressed? You know, guys, today is a very special day on Just to Film Me because I've been wanting to have him on our channel forever. Not just because he's one of our greatest movie stars, it's also because he's one of our finest actors. Vicky Kaushal, thank you so much for joining me on Just to Film Me.
Thank you, Rohini.
It's so lovely. I must tell my audience that it's a rare occasion that I get to meet Vicky Kaushal twice in 24 hours.
That's true.
Yeah,
That's
कल
true.
की शाम हम काला घोड़ा पर थे,
Exactly.
and my God, Mumbai came out and said hi, and they were there to support the film. When you see that happen to you, what does that make you feel like?
बहुत अच्छा लगता है. It makes you feel very motivated, and especially if that happens in the beginning of your promotions drill. It's just beautiful. And of course, we had to start with Mumbai and Mumbaikars because the film we are coming with, Chhawa, is all about the Maratha culture, their history, their how do you say, parakram, you know. So it meant a lot. It meant a lot, and people were so kind and so loving and so warm. So it was genuinely very lovely.
My audience at Just to Film Me needs to understand that every time we see you play someone else, and it's not a fictional character, whether it's Sardar Uttam, okay, whether it's Sam, or right now it's Chhawa, we don't see you. We see the character. So are you now a biopic specialist, Vicky?
I don't know. I don't know about that tag, although it's a lovely tag to have as an actor. But to be very honest, I don't look at these stories, these characters, and these films as biopics. I just look at them as great stories, great characters made by great filmmakers. That's how I dive into it. And once you start working on it, is when, obviously, with the study involved, with all that you have to do for that part, you understand why it's important to tell the story. And that's what I enjoy the most. That's what I love about it the most, because as an actor, through your work, I end up feeling there's something I'm giving back to the society. It's not just entertainment, although that's our primary motive. But through that entertainment, we are also getting to know about our lesser known heroes. And I say that because all these characters, be it Shahid Sardar Udham Singh ji, Sam Bahadur ji, or Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj, they're all very celebrated, and their glory is just beyond imagination. But still, now that we are making films on a global stage, it's time that we take our heroes to the global stage.
Yeah, absolutely.
Like
I agree.
Udham Singh ji, as a Punjabi, I had heard his story since childhood. But I knew that beyond Punjab, nobody really knew. Or very few people knew about him. Same goes for Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj also. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, everybody in the world knows. But Shambhuraje's story, his sacrifice, his glory, we need to take it to the world.
I love it. You know, I also know that one of the key pillars on the character is his bravado or bravery. Yeah. And I want to know, how does an actor show or play brave? Because, it's not something that is a physical thing. It's from within. Yeah. What were your notes? How did you decide that if I do this, I will look brave?
Apart from, obviously, it's the body language, the writing helps you a lot when, the lines that are given to you and the scenes that are designed and everything. All of that is there to help you do that. But to portray bravery, it's also actually very important to know your own wounds as well. And that's where I try and focus a lot to understand what are the, because that's where the character becomes human and real. And that's when you enjoy and really celebrate that bravado and that bravery. Because knowing that he has these wounds, he still is that brave and that like a warrior. So we have focused a lot on that also. His relationship with his father, him as a husband, him as a son, all of that. He was a king, he was a warrior, everything put together. In terms of playing that bravado, obviously Lakshman sir helped me a lot with, constant guidance about how he wants it. And once when your director says that he was a lion and I want you to portray him like a lion, it kind of goes into your subconscious in that sense that, okay, automatically if you keep that one note in mind that anything you do has to be like a lion, that's what's going to come across, and that's what we've tried.
It's amazing because I feel like when you're portraying a character, you might carry that character with you during the duration of that film. Yeah. Was there anything that you carried with you while you were filming for Chhaava?
What happens with me almost in every role is that my walk changes.
Really?
Yeah, my walk, that is one thing that I can't switch off.
Oh, wow.
And it happens very subconsciously. But मैंने notice किया है. Like, for example, when I was shooting for Sam Bahadur, I had to shoot a song for Zara Hatke Zara Bachke. And in the middle of that sketch, when I had come to Lakshman sir only to shoot that song, he said, "Sir, आप ये थोड़ा Sam Bahadur वाला हो रहा है." And I don't realize that. And that's what happened with Chhaava also, because of that weight gain, that size and that everything. And the whole day for 12 hours, you're walking like that. It's just difficult to kind of just switch. And I enjoy that also, that, it's just because once you are in the momentum of the film, you go on autopilot in that sense. And I really enjoy that phase.
I remember we met during Zara Hatke Zara Bachke promotions and the Great Indian Family promotions. At that time, maybe you were shooting for this film. I'm not so sure.
I was shooting for Chhaava.
Yes, because you had that body, you had that build and that beard. So in case you're wondering, you can actually go back to that video. ये मेरे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है क्योंकि मैं मुंबई की हूँ, तो ये जो कहानी है महाराष्ट्र की है और इस फिल्म के जरिए अब महाराष्ट्र के बाहर जाएगी. लेकिन आपने महाराष्ट्र के बारे में एज अ मुंबई बॉय योरसेल्फ क्या सीखा और उसका क्या प्रभाव पड़ा है?
मैं पैदा मुंबई में हुआ हूँ, मेरी पढ़ाई मुंबई में हुई है, मैं काम मुंबई में करता हूँ. मेरे बचपन के जो मेरी परवरिश हुई है, जिस सोसाइटी में मैं पला बड़ा हूँ, जहाँ पे क्रिकेट खेलना शुरू किया सब कुछ, वहाँ पे ज़्यादातर उस सोसाइटी में महाराष्ट्रियंस ही थे. अभी तो चीज़ें बदल गई हैं. वी समटाइम्स डोंट नो हु आवर नेबर्स आर, बट बैक व्हेन वी वर चिल्ड्रन, हम तो एक दूसरे के घर में ही होते थे, है ना. यहाँ पे कभी सारे दरवाजे खुले होते थे, यहाँ पे खाना खा लिया. वो सारी महाराष्ट्रियन फैमिलीज थी. तो मैंने महाराष्ट्रियंस की वार्मथ, उनका अपनापन, उनका फ्रैंकनेस, वो सारा मैंने बहुत अप क्लोज फील किया है, ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अ फैमिली. एंड तो वो पता नहीं, वो कहीं ना कहीं एक अंदर वो रही है बात. मैं स्टेट बोर्ड में पढ़ाई की है मैंने, एसएससी बोर्ड में, तो हमारी हिस्ट्री बुक्स में भी अ लॉट अबाउट छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज, छत्रपति संभाजी महाराज हैज़ बीन मेंशन्ड, वी हैव स्टडीड. But that's not been the case outside Maharashtra. Yeah. So that's why the film is important. But रही बात आपके सवाल की, that is very subconsciously ingrained now. I can't even pinpoint कि कहाँ क्या प्रभाव रहा है, but वो रहा है, जिंदगी भर.
क्या बात है. I think लक्ष्मण जी कल मुलाकात हुई थी. I just feel कि वो इतना फील करते हैं सब्जेक्ट के लिए. उनका इस फिल्म पर होना आपके साथ, what is that combination like? Have you figured out this equation?
Lakshman sir, actually we go way back. I think one of my first things I shot, and I guess it was before I even did a film. There was an ad film for Google, I think I had done, where Amit Sharma was the director, and Lakshman sir was the DOP. He was the cinematographer. And it was a huge 6-minute ad film, so it was not the regular ones. So that's the first time we worked together. And since then, I don't know, there was some connection always. We had always spoken about doing a film together, but that didn't happen till Zara Hatke Zara Bachke happened. And what happened in Zara Hatke was that I genuinely found a true friend in him, a true mentor in him, a teacher in him. Somebody whom I genuinely look up to, because उनकी जो जर्नी रही है ना, वो अपने आप में एक बायोपिक है. मैं कुछ next time if you happen to sit with him, just ask him. It इट इज़ अ बायोपिक इन द मेकिंग. उनकी जो मतलब वो एक प्रॉपर रैग्स टू रिचेस की स्टोरी है उनकी, एंड ही स्टिल इज़ द सेम. लाइक ही इज़ वेरी हम्बल, ही इज़ वेरी ग्राउंडेड, ही इज़ वेरी रियल, ही इज़ वेरी ऑनेस्ट. वो जब भी काम होता है वो ही स्टेज वेरी लो. काम करते हैं, अपने गांव चले जाते हैं, फिर आते हैं, काम करते हैं, फिर गांव चले जाते हैं. तो सो ही इज़ वेरी, आई कनेक्ट अ लॉट विद लाइक पीपल हु आर जस्ट रियल and who are grounded. And we both share a certain kind of simplicity where we kind of somewhere feel कि हाँ हमारे, हालांकि मेरे से बहुत बड़े हैं ऑब्वियसली, मेरे लाइक यू नो सीनियर हैं, बट कहीं ना कहीं वो एक फैमिली वैल्यूज मैच होती हैं एंड वो ऑनेस्टी मैच होती है. तो वो मुझे हमेशा लाइक आई वांट टू बी इन एवरी लक्ष्मण उत्तेकर फिल्म.
क्या बात है. Speaking of family, I remember when we watched the teaser of Chava, we'd never seen anything like it before. It was a war sequence. You come from a family where your father's perhaps one of the most revered stunts persons of this country. Was he impressed?
He has. He's been impressed. Although he's yet to watch the film, but with whatever he's seen, he's very impressed.
How was the action on this film different from any other action you've done? Because as an audience, हमें नजर आ रहा है कि कुछ तो अलग है भाई. ये इतनी तादाद में हमने एक्चुअली लोग देखे भी नहीं है.
Firstly, because it's a historical, घोड़े हैं, तलवार है, भाले हैं, all sorts of that era के हथियार हैं. तो वो पहले तो यही हो जाता है कि ऑटोमेटिकली जब आपके एक्शन सीक्वेंस में 100-150 घोड़े हों, it's all of a sudden a different scenario. Not just visually, but because घोड़ों को नहीं पता आप शूटिंग कर रहे हो. घोड़ों को नहीं पता एक्शन और कट क्या होता है. वो घोड़े हैं. तो वो मैनेजमेंट एक डिफरेंट मैनेजमेंट हो जाती है. देन प्लस वी वर वेरी क्लियर दैट ऑल आवर एक्शन सीक्वेंस आर गोना फील सो क्लॉस्ट्रोफोबिक बिकॉज बैटल्स वुड फील क्लॉस्ट्रोफोबिक. महाराष्ट्र में जब जितने बैटल्स हुए हैं देव बीन ऑन नेचुरल टेरेन्स. वो वैसे नहीं हुए हैं कि रेगिस्तान में एक बड़ी आर्मी इस तरफ है, एक बड़ी आर्मी इस तरफ है, दे आर कोलाइडिंग. इट्स नॉट दैट. दे डोंट हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ terrain. It's all mountains, it's rivers, and it's, you know, all that space. So that's why the guerrilla tactics came into play. So they had to use a lot of nature. So our action sequences involved a lot of nature, be it like hanging from the trees, coming out of the water, being fully muddied in the mud. So all those things were incorporated in the action. The action, we tried to keep it very raw, very rustic, very grungy and very real. अगर हमें दिखाना है कि हाँ हजारों की तादाद में एक अटैक हुआ था, तो वो 1000 दिखेंगे आपको वो फ्रेम में. वो क्राउड मल्टीप्लिकेशन या वो वाली चीज़ें नहीं हुई है. ऑफ कोर्स देयर आर अदर टेक्निकल थिंग्स दैट हैव बीन डन टू मैनेज दैट, बट वो हजारों की क्राउड है वहाँ. We had like there's a big sequence in the film where we have about 2,000 plus people in the frame, where we have 500 of the best stuntmen in the country over there who were called in at Y, and we were shooting a sequence day in day out. So there's a lot that has gone into the action of this film, and yeah, praying that it all translates when you watch the film.
Personally, what is the one lesson that you've taken from Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj's life that perhaps Vicky will carry in his life?
निडरता. वो मैं, and it's not just about लड़ने के लिए निडरता, it's about character में एक निडरता होती है ना, in the things you do, in the things you say, in the things you believe, holding on to your values, your principle. उसके लिए life gives you that situation that you're put to test, that do you really believe in that? Do you have the courage to implement that? That I've learned from him. That because where I could relate was, see, I've played that character of Sam Bahadur also, but there was a whole journey of him kind of being till his 60s. Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj, I was playing him in his late 20s and early 30s till he was alive. So I could relate to him more, that this is all he was doing and feeling while he was younger than me today. So that just changed a lot of things in me.
Amazing. Here we are, you know, for Chava. It's an epic soundtrack, and that is A.R. Rahman. इसके क्या मायने हैं विकी कौशल की जिंदगी में एज अ फैन बॉय? पहले ये बताओ.
बहुत it's a big thing for me. It's one of those dream come true moments where I was always dreaming that कभी किसी फिल्म में ये करने को मिलेगा क्या कि जहाँ पे म्यूजिक ए आर रहमान सर का होगा. तो we are always like, I am always looking forward to his music, and I've really, like all of us across the globe, I've enjoyed his music. And मैं वही कहता रहता हूँ कि रहमान साहब के म्यूजिक में ना एक खुशबू है, और वो बहुत रेयर है कि एक वो मिट्टी की खुशबू, उस पता नहीं उस कल्चर की खुशबू वो झलका देते हैं. And that, I think, for us to take Chhava on a global map and still preserve that mitti ki khushbu, I think there could have been nobody better than A.R. Rahman.
I completely agree. Do you want to tell my audience if there's a song that you love personally, and outside of this, what is your forever time A.R. Rahman soundtrack? Tough one, I know. Tough one.
My personal soundtrack, personal favorite from the film. See, the thing is, all the songs that have been done for this film are also kept in mind with respect to the score of the film. Yeah. So whenever I think of a song, I know what the situation where it's going to play, so it just becomes more special to me. But there's a song called Aaya Re Tufan. That for me is the Rajabhishek song, the coronation song. It was very special, and it's a huge production and a huge orchestration on that song. So that is great. I love Jaane Tu as well, where Rahman sir, Arijit, Irshad sir, all of these guys coming together is only giving me just goosebumps. So that song, I really enjoy the melody of it. I think after a long time we have a song which has just pure melody. Choosing one song of Rahman sir is a crime.
One album.
Dil Se.
Dil Se is a great choice. Oh my God. Yeah. We were those kids.
You can smell this music. You can smell everything in that.
And it's Rahman and Gulzar. And what more do we want? And Santosh Sivan Sahab on the DOP front. And Mani Rasan. And Mani sir, oh my God. Yeah, I mean, at the end of this, Vicky, what I love the most is that every time I speak to you, I don't know if my audience feels it, as big as you get, you always retain who you always were. And I want to end my interview today by asking you, how do you make sure that the Vicky Kaushal doesn't get lost in the Sardar Udhams and the Chavas and the Sam Bahadurs?
कुछ नहीं, जब फिल्म खत्म होती है परिवार के साथ वक्त बिताता हूँ, माँ की मार पड़ती है, वापस बैक टू ग्राउंड जीरो पे आ जाता हूँ. So I don't get carried away.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I still get a little tack.
That's
जरूरी है
cute.
वो, अच्छी भी है.
Bilkul. You know, it's, as I said, I was hoping that you'd be on the show very soon. And we get this chance to talk. So thank you so much for spending time with me.
So happy to talk to you always, Rohini.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hi guys, मैं हूँ विकी कौशल, और मेरी अभी रोटॉक्स के साथ एक बहुत खूबसूरत बात हुई है मेरी आने वाली फिल्म छावा के बारे में. Please do subscribe to her channel, which is called Just to Film Me, and enjoy all her conversations with all the wonderful people she chats with.